So this is a pointy finger kind of thing. This is a pointy direction finger, which is known as a printer's fist. And we're going to start off with a curve like that. Let's do it a bit bigger. And then just come around the corner a little bit like that. And that will be the thumb. And then it's going to go forwards and come back with a pointy finger like that and stop before you get to the line where that comes down. We're going to want these kind of lines on the finger here, so that's going to be about there. The next one will be about there. Just around about here, we're going to draw the next finger, which is going to be about there. And then the next finger underneath is just slightly smaller and coming down at an angle. And the same with this one, just slightly smaller like that. And then that's going to come down and up in a curve like that. And then we're going to want to have a curve coming in there as well. And then we get the interesting bit. This is like the cuff, and this is going to come up and down and up and down and up and down and across like that. And then each of these wants like a little loop, like they're kind of joining up like that. And then we do little marks like that. So those look like the fingernails. And then we want to sort of go around the whole of the outside. And I'm going to use my brush pen. And we're doing this just to thicken the whole thing up. So it's going to look a bit like a lino print kind of thing that the printers would use. And we do it all the way around the outside like that. And maybe we could do a bit more with these little finger widget bits. The folds in the finger, aren't they, really, like that? And we just make these all a little bit thicker. And I'm doing this with a brush pen to make it easier, but you can just sort of go around and sort of do 2 or 3 lines like that and just make sure they're all nicely filled in. But it's much easier for me to do it with this brush pen because it does it a lot more quickly. And then that's like shadow. And then we want to do these and make these a lot more thick. Like that. And then I'm coming in there. And there. And there. And there. And make that a bit more pointy. And then we just need to make those a little bit thicker around there too. Oh, and then make that thicker down the middle. Just make that a little bit thicker there as well. And let's not forget that one. And there you have yourself a very handsome printer's fist pointing in that direction. You can do it in that direction as well if you like. All you need to do now is subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy. Click the button down there. And I will see you next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.